Hey everybody, it's Devin Burke, your coach and guide to a deep, peaceful night's rest. And in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the dark side of sleeping pills. So let's talk about sleeping pills. Number one, sleeping pills are a huge part of the pharmaceutical industry today because so many people have issues with their sleep. Now, you're probably watching this because maybe you're taking sleeping pills right now and you have a sleep issue. And because of that, I'm actually glad that you're watching this because we're going to talk about the dark side of sleeping pills and also what you can do to get off those sleeping pills and actually solve the problem versus treat the symptom. So what's the problem with sleeping pills? Well, number one, sleeping pills are linked to dementia. So benzodiazepam, a type of sleeping pill that's often prescribed, was studied and found in France and in Britain in many studies to increase dementia by up to 50% in older adults. So that's a huge problem. That's a huge red flag right there. Dementia is a big problem for a lot of people, and by taking sleeping pills, you are actually increasing your risk by 50%. Not to mention all of the side effects, and there's a long list of side effects depending on which sleeping pill you're taking, Lunesta, clonazepam, there's a bunch of them out there that are prescribed, but there's a laundry list of side effects, and quite frankly, they're toxic. So the second reason you wanna really try to get off your sleeping pills as soon as possible is that they are addicting. Yes, they are habit forming. So there's a chance of overdose, and there's also a chance that you're gonna, have to continue to be on them the rest of your life. And eventually you're gonna come to a point where you realize that they don't really work. They don't really help with insomnia. They might help a little bit in the beginning, but as you continue to use them, you're gonna have to continue to take more or different types to get the same effect. And eventually you're gonna hit a place where they just don't work at all. And this is because they are treating insomnia, they are treating the symptom, but they are not treating the root cause. So what is the root cause of insomnia? Well, after working with hundreds of different people to help them transform their sleep, the root cause is the psychological elements of stress and anxiety about sleep itself. Also could be the environment that you're in, and it also could be a lot of other physical factors as well. It's really important to address all three of these elements, the psychological element, the physical element, and the environmental element. That if you address each of these elements, you're gonna be able to bring whatever's out of balance back into balance to then be able to help you get the deep, full rest sleep that you deserve and you desire. And I have a training, if you click the link below, that'll tell you exactly how to do that. Guys, I hope this video was useful. If you like it, subscribe, and until next week, live passionate on purpose. Thanks for watching this video. Chances are you have issues with your sleep. Because of that, I want to invite you to my upcoming masterclass, How to Fall Asleep Faster, Rest Deeper, and Wake Up Refreshed. In the masterclass, I share a step-by-step strategy for how to do just that. If you're interested in learning more about that, click the link below, and I will see you on the next class.